she hid Flynn's bag of stolen goods, and when he woke up, he struck a rule with him. Take me to see the floating lights. Flynn, you mean the lantern? The lantern thing they do for the missing princess? Rapunzel nodded. After you bring me home safely, I will return your satchel. Flynn did want his things back. Fine, I'll take it. Outside the tower, the world was full of wonder. It was nothing like Mother Gothel had described it. Look at the picture before it's on the video. Ooh, see that by the tree.